Have you done something crazy?
तो बता नहीं सकते ना, किसी को भी, वाइफ को ही नहीं बता सकते.
Would you call yourself crazy?
I've been told yes.
Yeah.
I have thought of myself as one sometimes, yes. People call me crazy.
Yes, we are crazy. Can you define craziness for us?
Something you do beyond your personal limits.
Would be doing something extraordinary.
Social welfare.
Pagalpanti.
Which is like the top-notch craziest thing you've done.
I got a bike. We rode 2,600 kilometers non-stop without sleeping for 2 days.
Are you serious?
I've driven a Formula One car, was invited to drive one.
I did a bungee jump inside a car.
Damn, that's crazy.
फर्स्ट डेट पे गर्लफ्रेंड की बालकनी से कूद के घर से बाहर निकलना.
What is that one crazy thing that turned out really positive for you?
It's pretty crazy that I am racing nowadays. I stopped racing for 10 years after my uncle died, and now I'm here in Formula E with Mahindra, so it's a very different story from every other race driver that I know.
Long before it became fashionable to go to Leh, and I rode up to Ladakh many years ago, and we almost died, but we survived.
It was about 7 a.m. in hilly mountain region of New Zealand. The visibility down to less than 50 meters. We had a section which was about 35 kilometers long. I averaged about 110 kilometers an hour with less than 50 meters of fog. That can really qualify as being crazy. I went for Vipassana. That is intense shit. दिमाग के साथ खेल हो जाता है. For 10 days, you're not allowed to talk. Just meditate the entire day. No smoking, no drinking, no reading materials, no writing materials. You're just with yourself.
One crazy decision that changed your life forever.
Getting born.
क्या महिंद्रा में ज्वाइन हो गया एज अ प्रोफेशनल राइडर. कोई कहता है इसमें कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है तेरा, पर मैं कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को पसंद है. आज मैं एशिया के इतने बड़े ट्रैक पे खड़ा हूँ.
Being an actor. मैं CA करने जाता था. मैंने फुटवेयर डिजाइनिंग स्टार्ट कर ली.
नौकरी के छोड़ के बिजनेस में आना.
Oh.
I started my own startup. My parents came and told me, listen, beta, तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So for 3 years, I tried and convinced them and tried and did my best at it. This kind of opened up so many doors for me. I got my current job through it. I've met exactly 4,200 new people over 3 years.
I am commerce student who was crazily into being a CA, and there came my dad's profession, and I was like, I want to get into advertising.
Taking up interior designing as a profession. Just go against everybody and do what I want to do.
I want to be a rapper. ये नहीं है कि इस लाइफ में बैंक में नौकरी कर लो, अगली बार रैपर बन जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं है.
Don't a lot of other women call you crazy?
I don't really stop my life to think about what other people have to say. A tiger doesn't think about what other people have to say about it. Mostly sheep.
Which is that one person who always stops you from implementing your crazy idea?
Parents.
My mother.
But it's not because she doesn't want me to be who I am. Mothers care about you.
Girlfriend.
While you do all those crazy things, is there somebody who supports you?
Plenty of crazy friends that do it. They tell me, yeah, go for it, do that.
Yeah, my dad.
Because you're dad's princess?
I'm the dad's dude here.
I got a home support.
Yeah?
Yes.
So they'll be like, जा बेटा कूद जा.
जो करना कर.
One celebrity जिसको देख के आपको craziness की inspiration मिलती है.
विजेंदर सिंह inspired me a lot.
Deepika Padukone.
Akshay Kumar.
Sunny Leone is amazing. The way she carries herself, that's amazing.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer.
Can you make me believe that you're a crazy guy?
We can strip.
Now do Lavani. Tink 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 mala dagla la dagli gala. पानी थीम थीम गाला.
मेरी लोकेशन तेरे टुले आंदी समझ तो बाहर. कानून तो नहीं तोबा बस रूल नहीं पसंद तेन फूल. मैनू तेरा प्यो ब्लडी फूल नहीं पसंद. कदे ए नहीं पसंद कदे ओ नहीं पसंद. तेरे कॉलेज च कुड़ियां नु कुड़ियां पसंद.
मेरी माँ मेरी बहन के पास खाना नहीं है. कुछ दे दीजिए सर खाने के लिए.
जूता खाएगा बेटा.
जैसी एक्टिंग की है लग रहा है जूता ही मिलेगा.
So you take calculated risk. Calculated crazy is not crazy, na?
It is crazy.
There's either a risk or there's no risk.
You're still taking that risk that you won't take.
If your gut says take the risk, it is absolutely worth taking that risk. Maximum क्या होगा? 4 चमाट खा लेगा ना, या पैसा नहीं रहेगा ना. ठीक है यार, निकल जाएगा जिंदगी.
So this was Delhi on being crazy. Being crazy is like karma. कर्म कर, फल की चिंता मत कर. जैसे हम कर्म करते हैं, आपको entertain करते हैं, वैसे ही आप अगर entertain हुए तो like this video how you'd like to be crazy. Share this video with all your crazy friends and subscribe to the craziest channel Being Indian and with Sahil Khattar do all those crazy things. जैसे हम बीच सड़क पे खड़े होकर ट्रैफिक के पीछे ट्रैफिक के आगे ये लिंक दे रहे हैं. Follow us on Twitter Being Ind. 30 सेकंड रह गए. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if the question is Sahil Khattar. I'm on both of the social network websites. इससे ज़्यादा crazy क्या हो सकता है? रोड के बीचों बीच खड़े होकर ट्रैफिक चलने वाला है. भग लेते चलने वाले. अरे 18 सेकंड बढ़े हैं. हट क्या? Give me 5 words to describe an IITian.
Boring.
Big time nerds. Bookworms.
Desperate. Studious. Hideous.
Single.
Single.
Emotion पे हमरे ना होल कर रे. लौट के घर को आ जाओ सैया.